I have said it before in one of my videos. As a crypto enthusiast, you don't give up on the crypto journey because there is a whole lot of free money to be made in this line of business, though with little hard work. Whenever you are participating in any airdrop, make sure to follow it to the end and you will stand a high chance of being rewarded. In this channel, we share valid information on how to make money in the financial market. In today's video, we will be talking about step-by-step guide on one important airdrop called Sparkchain. Sparkchain project is new and is very similar to Grass airdrop. A lot of people made so much money from Grass Airdrop Season 1, and more money will still be made by participants from Grass Airdrop because Grass Season 2 is currently on. It is not too late to join. If you want to participate, you can see the link to the video below the comment section. Sparkchain Airdrop is very free and easy to participate. It does not require tapping, payment of gas fee, or buying of Telegram stars. The only thing you are required to be doing is that whenever you are online, make sure you go to the Sparkchain app and connect the extension, and it will start mining on its own. So I'll be teaching you how to participate in this airdrop using your PC and also using your smartphone. So just pay attention. But before we proceed, for phone users, simply go to your Play Store and download Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser because these are the browsers used to install extensions in phones. After downloading the Kiwi or Mrs. browser, copy the Sparkchain registration link below the comment section. Go to the search bar of your Mrs. or Kiwi browser and paste it. It will take you to a page like this. Make sure you put your phone in desktop side. Whenever you are using Mrs. or Kiwi browser, always put your phone in desktop side for optimal functionality. For me, I am using PC, so I will open the registration link using my favorite browser, which is Chrome browser. If you're using a PC, you can use any browser of your choice. You will be brought to this page where you're supposed to fill your details. Enter your full name correctly. Enter your email address. Enter a password. Confirm the password by entering it again for the second time. Here, you need to fill in a referral code if it is not already filled. Of course, you can use my referral code, at least to encourage me for this wonderful information and also for the time I spend in making this video. Check this captcha to prove that you are not a robot. After that, click the register button. I have already registered, but this is the process of registration. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Make sure you check your email and click the confirm button. After successfully confirming your email, return to the dashboard and log in with your already registered details, which includes your email and password. Here we go. We are registered and also our email is verified. How will you know that you are verified? You look at this logo where my cursor is, you tap it, you will see verified. That is to say that you are verified. If you are not verified, you will see here not verified. Always put your phone in desktop side. At the left hand side, locate the store button and tap it. It will take you to where you will install the Chrome extension of Sparkchain. Tap this to install. The reason why you are seeing remove from Chrome is because the extension has already been installed in my PC. But in your own case, if it is not installed already, what you will see here will be add to Chrome. Just click add to Chrome. After installing it, go to this place and look for it. Here it is, Sparklight node. Tap it and click desktop dashboard. The next thing is there are some few social tasks that we are supposed to perform. So click task. Here you are supposed to join them on Telegram. When you join them on Telegram, you will earn 2,500 points. I have already done that, but in your own you will see claim. Just click the claim button. It will take you to Telegram. When you join them on Telegram, you come back and click the claim again and it will be completed. Follow them on Twitter. The last social task that we have here is retweet their tweet and tag 3 friends. Click the claim button again. It will take you to their Twitter page. Any tweet that you see there, just write somebody's name that is your friend. Write at again, write another name until 3 names. Then come here and click the claim button and it will be completed. They will reward you with 1,000 points. Another thing again that you are supposed to do, you can as well share your link to people within your circle and get more points. If you invite 3 people, you will get 2,000 points. How do you get your referral link? Simply go to referral here, tap it, tap this share with friends. Link copied to clipboard, send it to the person that you want to send to, and that is it. Whenever you are online, make sure to go to your Sparkchain extension. If this connect is not connected already, you connect it. Once it is connected, it will be mining on its own. If you look at it here, this is my total points that I have earned. It has not been long I started this testnet. This will be the end of this video. If you find any value in this video tutorial, then encourage me, at least for the time I spent, by clicking the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is released, you will always be the first to be notified. Like and drop your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to share this video for others to see. You can also join our Telegram group for more updates. All the links are below the comment section. Bye for now.